This is circuit 2 I given by Copilot by AI. So this is what AI gave me after prompting it to design an RC uh, switching circuit. Gave me the components, gave me the text schematic. Since Copilot couldn't produce a handwritten schematic, then I had to rely on this text schematic to build the circuit. I asked AI to simplify the circuit. That's what it gave me. So according to AI, the LED is supposed to turn on 5 seconds after the source is turned on. So let's test it. And before that, we have the 330 ohm resistor, we have the LED, we have the NPN transistor. So and here in the voltage divider, we're using a 1 mega ohm resistor and a 4.7 microfarad capacitor, and the difference in voltage is connected through a 100 kilo ohm resistor connecting to the base of the transistor. So let's test it. So as you can see, there wasn't much time delay. It was about like a few microseconds. We're gonna try this again. Turn the circuit on. So it takes about a second or less than that to turn the LED on, which shows that this circuit is not good. So this also shows AI's efficiency in the concept, but in approximation, like in the components, not that much. So yeah, it's ineffective.